So I want to lighten your load just a little bit today and talk to you a little bit about worry and stress. And I want to talk to you about what it does to our bodies, what it does to our mind, and how you can start stepping out of that. Because I believe there is a way. And I have a saying, if you have worked with me at all, if you have listened to me at all, worry does not solve your problems. No amount of worrying all night long about solving world hunger is going to solve world hunger the next day. The only thing it does is makes you super tired, super grumpy because you didn't sleep all night and you stayed up all night wondering how that was going to work out for you, trying to dictate and control the universe, when the best thing that you can do is learn to surrender into it and to let go. And I know that sounds counterproductive and it is super hard to do, but I want to talk to you about that today and the reasons why letting go is the best thing for you to do.